Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Hi friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion on the Mount of Luna. So in the first part, we got to know about what do I mean by Mount of Luna and what all are the significations, promised by this portion, which is the Mount of Luna. So I'll just give a quick recap. Mount of Luna tells about our imagination. It tells about our subconscious thinking process. It tells about the restlessness. It tells about the desire for change. Also, all the travels are also seen from here. And like the way I also mentioned that it is always advisable to check the condition of the Mount of Luna or judge the Mount of Luna in a conjunction with the condition of the headline, because headline also tells about our logical ability, how we comprehend things, and the way to judge the state of Mount of Luna is, first of all, how much the outward curve can you see over here. That's the first sign. And second is that this portion should be rounded, this portion should be little bit puffed. So this tells about that this person has got deep thinking process. So we have discussed all of that. In the second part, we also got to know about what are the different signs and what would remain to be the indication if you'll find those signs present on the Mount of Luna. So let's say if you'll find the sign of square or sign of star, so what kind of significations we can expect in the life of an individual. We have discussed all of that. Now coming to the last part, now we will have a discussion on the Vedic connection of the Mount of Luna and what all are the kind of significations and the the attributes which has been written in the Hindu books of palmistry. So to begin with, every planet has been associated with some deity in our Hindu palmistry. Same ways, the moon is associated with goddess Gauri. So goddess Gauri is the deity which is associated with the moon, Mount of Luna. Next comes the way every god has been assigned a particular vehicle, the mount. So what is the mount or vehicle which has been assigned to goddess Gauri, which is antelope. The numerology association with moon is number 2. Now as we are discussing the Vedic connection, so the caste assigned to moon is trader, which is also known as Vaishya. Then coming to the Gana, it has been the Guna, it has been assigned the Sattvic Guna. Now coming to the gender, so the moon has been assigned as the female gender. Now coming to the designation, like the way in our Hindu palmistry, all the planets have been assigned a specific designation. Like the way sun has been given the designation of king, same way moon has been given the designation of queen. Now coming to the season, so the rainy season has been associated with planet moon. Direction, moon rules the northwest direction. Every planet rules 3 nakshatras. So the nakshatras ruled by the planet moon are Hasta, Rohini and Shravan. So these are the 3 nakshatras which are ruled by the planet moon. Now coming to the the tarot association with the planet moon. So in the tarot deck of cards, the high priestess card, which comes on number 2, has been associated with the planet moon, because it also tells about your subconscious, mystery, illusion and thinking process. So the tarot deck card High Priestess is associated with planet Moon. Now coming to the Kabbalistic Tree of Life. So in Tree of Life, the ninth Sephiroth, which is our, yes, is associated with the planet Moon. So we have discussed all of that. Now we'll come to the part where we'll discuss the specific remedies which has been advised in our Hindu palmistry books if someone is going through negative affliction, like the way we discussed in the part where we were discussing the signification of different signs if found on the Mount of Luna. So let's say as we discussed, the symbol of grill, the sign of grill is not considered good on the Mount of Luna. The symbol of cross is not considered good on the Mount of Luna. So if you have this sign on your hand, so what all are the kind of remedies which you can think of to mitigate the negative effects of the kind of signification which has been promised, or which has been, as has been explained by me, if you'll find those signs. So as remedies are concerned, first is the gemstone. So pearl is the stone which a native could think about wearing if he is going through the affliction of the Luna or the Mount or the Moon, or let's say even if the Mount of Luna is afflicted with negative signs, as has been explained by me in my previous videos, the symbol of grill, the symbol of cross or mole. So wearing this gemstone pearl on the little finger would remain to be very beneficial to reduce the negative effects as promised by these negative signs. Next comes in the series is wearing the Rudraksh. So the Rudraksh which is associated with these kind of afflictions which would help is two-faced Rudraksh, which is also known as Do-mukhi Rudraksh. Next in the remedy comes out to be the donation. As you know, moon has been allotted the day of the week which is Monday. So the list of items which I am going to discuss here, you could just, a person who is going through the affliction of moon in his palm with the presence of afflicted negative signs, so that person could think about donating these list of articles on Monday to ensure the positive effects of a moon in his life. So the list of donated articles are, first remain to be, rice, milk, silver, white flowers, white clothes. So just because the color of the moon is white, although I always recommend this thing that you should not just take the color of moon as white only, because if you'll just check the light of moon in the prism, so you'll get to know that moon looks orange as well. So white and orange are the two colors which has been associated with the planet moon. So when it comes to the list of the articles which you need to donate in order to strengthen the condition of moon in your life, to have a strengthened and a stable state of mind, these are the articles which you could just think about donating. Apart from that, the mantra, the beach mantra, as has been written in our Hindu books of palmistry, to reduce the affliction of moon and assure the positive results in your life is Om Shram Shreem Shrom Sah Chandray Namaha. Om Shram Shreem Shrom Sah Chandray Namaha. So this is the Bij mantra which has been allotted to the Mount of Luna. And apart from that, the last is the yantra. So this is the yantra which has been allotted to the mount of Luna. So if someone is going through the affliction of the planet Moon, or let's say the mount of Luna is afflicted with negative sign, so keeping this yantra in his possession would help mitigate, reduce the negative effects as which we could expect from those signs which I have explained in my previous video. So this is how analysis is done. This is the kind of, you know, the signification, and this is the kind of association which moon has in our Vedic system. I hope I made myself very clear on this video. For further more updates and notifications on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.